Happy video day, guys. Today I'm so excited because I actually got my Boxycharm in the mail. I think that this was pretty early for me, right? I think it's pretty early. It's pretty early in the month and I actually have it. So this is my Boxyluxe for December 2020. It's the end of the year. This is the last box that Boxycharm can give us to kind of show us what they got. I'm crossing my fingers this is good. I have no idea what's inside. I honestly wasn't even going to film a video today, but when I saw the box, I was like, yes, I'm going to do it. I hardly put on any makeup this time because I figured, you know what, maybe I'll try some of these products. Maybe I'll try some of these on. If I think that they're interesting, if I think I want to keep them and not put them in a giveaway, I'll try them on for you guys. But anyways, so we're going to jump into Boxyluxe. I'll show you guys everything I got, and then at the end, anything I want to try on, I will try on for you guys. So yeah, if you're new to the channel and you've never seen me before, I'm Christina Brooke. I would love it if you'd want to hit subscribe, join the channel, want to see some of my unboxings again, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it right now. So here we go. This is literally a surprise for me. This is literally like a mystery box because I don't remember if I customized this. I might have, and I don't remember what I picked. So I have no idea what's in this box. So let's see. So the first thing I see here is says Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz. Alrighty. Bubbles and Glitz. And I got, ooh. Well, they changed this up, so it says like C2012-409LV. So I don't think here they're telling you anymore what variation you got, unless they did something different. Does anybody know what this weird numbers down here mean? Let's go ahead and let's get into this, and let's see, what's the first product? So the first product is this. This is a red case. I have no idea what this is. No clue. All right, so we've got a red case that says Luxy. Now I love Luxy brushes, so if this is a Luxy brush set, I am going to be happy. Emmy. Sorry, Emmy is running up and down at the yard. It's because he's playing with the neighbor's dog, and wow, look at that, guys. So this is a really pretty, nice brush set from Luxy. So we got a lot of different brushes here. It looks like we have a contour brush. We also have a powder brush. They're really pretty too. It's a really nice gold brush set. So this is really adorable. I'm really liking this. I'm gonna look through it and see which brushes I feel like I would want to keep. I will tell you guys, I have Luxy brushes. I really like Luxy brushes. And if I decide to put this in a giveaway, I mean, you guys are gonna be really obsessed with this because like I said, Luxy has really great brushes. But let's see, how much does this cost? So this right here is the Luxy Glitter and Gold Brush Set, and it is for $85. Ooh, that's pretty expensive for this. Huh? That's pretty expensive. $85? They have good quality, but that's pretty pricey. What do you guys think? All right, so let's keep going. What do we have next? What are you? Threesome. Hot Rockin'. What is this? Whoa, what are these things? All right, so we've got, what are these things? I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm lost. This is, why don't we just read what this is, because I have no idea. Rockin' Cosmetics, the Hot Mess Threesome. I can agree with that. This looks like a hot mess. I have no idea what this is. I believe what these are big eyeshadows. Like you're supposed to put this on the lid. I don't know if, what are you? Blend all around the eye to create a drama and sparkly dance floor magic. Yeah, these are definitely not something I would probably use. I mean, maybe somebody would really, really like these. Kind of reminds me of like my daughter's jumbo crayons. So I was kind of a little confused. The reason I probably wouldn't use these as much is because I don't really love the colors. This is kind of like a real true greenish color, but it's a little bit more hunter, but it's not a color I probably would wear. Then we've got one that's a little bit more blue. And then we've got a black one. I mean, the black one, yes, but I'm not sure about this product. So these are $40 US. Let's keep going. What else is in here? All right, so the next thing that we have in here, ooh, is a palette. Okay, we have a palette in here. So this is from Hip Dot. Hip Dot, I feel like I've heard of that brand. Where have I heard of that brand? Where have I heard of Hip Dot? I don't know, but I've heard of Hip Dot. Okay. My goodness. All right, okay. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. It's from Hip Dot, and it's called the Cenote. I don't know. I don't love blue. I really don't love blue, and I really don't love blue on my eyes. And I do like greens, but I really don't like blues. This reminds me a lot of like the ocean. This is not my style palette at all. It's not ugly. It's definitely pretty. If you guys like blue and stuff, you probably would really like this. I would say from this whole palette, there's a little section here that I'm in love with, like these 4 right here and these 2, like right here, this little section right here. But like a lot of these blues here is just a little bit too much blue for my taste, because I just don't, I hate the way blue looks on me. Like, I have some blues and I tend to never use them because I don't love the way they look on me. I know everybody has that eyeshadow that they're just like kind of like anti. Blue is kind of like my nemesis. Sometimes I like it, but sometimes, most of the time I'm like, ugh, you know? So this one right here, it retails for $30, and yeah, so I think I'm not going to use this. I wanted to use something in this video, but I haven't found anything yet that I want to use. I think I would rather give this away, because I'm sure that there is somebody out there that's watching this video right now going, oh my God, Christina, I love blue. How dare you? That is the most beautiful palette I've ever seen, and I would love it to go to one of those people. So what do we have next? Next, we have something from Iconic London. So I also like Iconic London, so let's see what exactly it is. Inside of here, oh, so here we go. This is like a blush palette. Now, I can't figure out if this one right here looks kind of like dingy. Like, I can't tell if it kind of looks like that when somebody stuck their finger in or not. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Does that look like somebody stuck their finger in it? I kind of have a feeling that it looks like a tad bit swatched, or I don't know. That's really weird. I kind of see like an oily fingerprint inside of the pink shade. Do you guys see the pink shade? Pink shade looks a little bit weird to me. All right, so the palette itself actually is very pretty, but I don't know if I want to use this now. Now I'm kind of like trying to figure out if that looks like somebody was sticking their fingers in this thing, especially with everything going on right now. I don't know if I want to use something that looks like somebody stuck their fingers into. This right here retails for $55, and it's the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. So that's a shame. I wish I could use this, but I really don't. It almost looks like it got scraped. Like, I don't know. Does that look like if it just got messed up in transit? It could be. Could just be like messed up in transit. What do you guys think? Not sure. I guess I'm gonna have to look at this one closer and see if this is just gonna get decluttered or not. But let's go on to the next product. So what is this? So this is, oh my God, I'm gonna give this to my husband. This is hilarious. So this says that it's a temple rub, and it's like a calming cream. Like, have you ever, a calming oil. Have you ever seen people going like this because like they're super stressed out? So funny. So this is from the Lifestyle Co. It's 100% natural calming temple rub, and it's a relaxing lavender scent that you're supposed to help with headaches, stress, and anxiety. And it retails for $24. I'm serious. I'm gonna give this to my husband. He has talked about things like this before, that he's like, oh my gosh, have you ever seen those things that when you have a headache, you put them like this and you go like this? I'm like, so I think I'm gonna give that to him. What is going on here? I don't feel like I've gotten anything that I'm like excited with, though, guys. All right, what do we have here? Okay, so this right here is from Sunday Riley. So this is a nice product right here. Sunday Riley has really nice skincare. I've seen her a lot in the Boxycharm boxes. And this is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Wow, I can't believe I got the Good Genes treatment in here. I wonder if I should try this again. I tried this once and it was too strong for my skin. And I remember kind of feeling like, oh, like I really wish that this would work, because I've heard people talk about this like if it is God sent, you know? But when I put it on, I remember the next day feeling my skin was super sensitive. I already tend to have pretty sensitive skin, so these type of like lactic acid treatments usually are not the best for me. And like I said, I had this. I purchased this on my own and it didn't work out for me. I don't know. Should I try it again? I'm not sure. So this is $85. Yeah, this is a pricey product. And I will tell you guys, this is a product that is very well known. I feel like, I don't know why lately I feel like the products that we're getting from Boxycharm, they kind of just look like leftover products. Like even like this one, if you guys see, does this usually have a top? Does it not have a top? And then like on the bottom, like I feel like the bottom is like a little bit dirty. You guys see how the bottom is a little bit dirty on this product? I'm like, what is going on here? All right, so we have that one from there. I have left in here. All right, so next we have from Avant. This here is an intense redensifying glycolic acid day moisturizer. So this is another skincare item. Holy crap. This is $123. What is, I mean, I've heard of this brand, but so it's supposed to help with skin's density, luminosity, and volume. 123 bucks. Like, I feel like just trying it because it's that expensive. Have you guys heard of this brand? I know I've seen it before. I mean, I don't think it's like super mainstream, but I know I've seen this brand before. But that's pretty pricey, man. $123 for a moisturizer. That's pretty pricey, but I don't know. Maybe I'll give that one a go. Huh. I thought that there was going to be like lipsticks and stuff in here, but I guess for the first time that I'm like super barefaced, I didn't get really that much makeup. Okay, so this is the last thing in the box. And what is this now? What are you? A teeth whitening kit? Oh my goodness. This is actually funny. Like, I almost feel like trying this just to see if this works. So this right here is from Butte Beauty Co. And it's the original Glam Smile Kit. So it brightens your smile within 15 minutes. That's what? It's $89. And does this work? Have you guys ever tried this before? I usually just use my Crest white strips, you know, and those usually work really good. But this is an LED light and everything. What? Okay, so this is interesting just because, like, I don't know if it's true or not. I don't know if this is going to work. So that's everything I got in this month's box. And guys, I was going to do an old school Boxycharm unboxing for you guys and really try some stuff on, but I don't feel like there was anything that I wanted to try on. So what would I say about this box? I don't think it was horrible, but I don't think it was that good for being Boxyluxe. I think that this almost to me kind of felt like kind of leftover. There was a few hits in here of good products. Like, I would say that this is probably a good product. Like, it's interesting. People are going to be like, wow, what is that? Does it really work? I think that that was pretty like a hit product. I would say that the Good Genes, super expensive. People know about it. I think that's a good product. You see, it's hard because like the Luxy brushes, they also look like it's a nice product, but I will tell you the price point on them. I don't know if these remind me of like the Luxy brushes that I would have put that expensive. We got a set once in Boxycharm that they were like glittery, and those were like my favorites. These. Do you guys remember these when we got these in Boxycharm? These were like amazing. And I feel like the quality, like they just looked a little bit nicer than these. These don't look bad, but they're, I mean, okay. Like, I think this one's also a good product. People probably enjoy that one. The iconic London palette, this could have been a good palette, but like I said, mine looks a little bit like it might have been a leftover product. Maybe somebody touched it a little bit. This I don't understand, so I think that this is a very weird product. Maybe if I would try it, I would like it, but I just don't really want to. So then I have the Hip Dot palette. This right here is a pretty palette, but because Boxycharm is supposed to be like kind of acting like they're customizing your boxes, a blue palette like this would just definitely not be me, and it wouldn't really go into like what I would want. So that one's kind of like, And then this also looks like maybe it could be decent. You know, it's a nice skincare, $123. The Temple Rub is like, okay. I don't know. I mean, like, it's not like things in here were bad. I mean, maybe some of them, but like, I don't know if I was like in love with this box. I feel like there's been times that Boxyluxe has been like, oh my God, like we've gotten like things that are like, oh, and this month was not like that for me. Now, this is a very sad thing to say because this was going to be my last Boxyluxe. I already have kind of decided that I'm going to go just back to the regular Boxycharm subscription and just get rid of Boxyluxe. And I was hoping that this would have been like that cool box to show you guys like, this is my last box. This is amazing. This was so good. But it really wasn't like that. So it actually kind of makes me feel a little better about getting rid of the Boxyluxe subscription. But at the same time, I really wish it would have been better. But yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I really wish that this was a better box. So since there was no lip product in here, I will talk to you guys about this great product. This is from Pixi, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips. It's the Peach Pout, and it's their vitamin C lip product. And yeah, They sent this to me in PR, and it's like amazing, and I wear it like all the time because it feels really good. But yeah. Anyways, I hope this video was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me your comments down below if you guys got Boxyluxe. Did you guys like this box? I'm sure some of you guys are like obsessed with it. I'm sure some of you guys like it, and I'm sure some of you guys are just like me. I want to know what you guys think. But thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.